There are three main categories of psychoactive drugs: depressants, stimulants, and hallucinogens. Depressants are drugs that lower your body's basic functions and neural activity, example heart rate and reaction time. The most popular depressant is alcohol, which makes you think more slowly, disrupts your REM sleep, and removes your inhibitions. The next kind of depressants are known as barbiturates, which are used to induce sleep and reduce anxiety by depressing your central nervous system. The side effects of using barbiturates are reduced memory, reduced judgment and concentration, and when taken with alcohol, can lead to death. Benzodiazepines are the most commonly prescribed suppressant. They are used mainly as sleeping aids or anti-anxiety. They enhance your brain's response to GABA. They open up GABA-activated chloride channels in your neurons and make neurons more negatively charged. The three types of benzodiazepines are short, intermediate, and long-acting. Short and intermediate are usually for sleep, while long-acting are for anxiety. Opiates are used to treat pain and anxiety. Examples of opiates are heroin and morphine. They are used to treat pain because they act at body's receptor sites for endorphins. They are a different class than depressants, even though they do treat anxiety. However, the rest of the depressants act on GABA receptors. Opiates act on endorphin receptors. Opiates lead to euphoria, which is why they are taken recreationally. The second class of drugs are psychoactive drugs or stimulants. They stimulate or intensify neural activity and bodily functions. They range from caffeine to cocaine, to amphetamine to methamphetamine and ecstasy. Caffeine inhibits adenosine receptors and can disrupt your sleep. Nicotine also disrupts sleep and can suppress appetite. At high levels, nicotine can cause muscles to relax and release stress-reducing neurotransmitters to counteract hyperalertness. Both caffeine and nicotine are physiologically addicting. Cocaine is an even stronger stimulant. It releases so much dopamine and serotonin and norepinephrine that it depletes your brain's supply. Regular users can experience suspicion, convulsions, respiratory arrest, and cardiac failure. Amphetamines and methamphetamines also trigger release of dopamine and euphoria for up to 8 hours. They are highly addictive, and long-term addicts may lose ability to maintain normal level of dopamine. The third kind are hallucinogens. These drugs cause hallucinations and altered perception. Ecstasy is a synthetic drug which is used as both a stimulant and a hallucinogen. It increases dopamine and serotonin and hence euphoria. It also stimulates the body's nervous system. However, it can damage neurons that produce serotonin, which has several functions, including moderating mood. Ecstasy causes hallucinations and heightened sensations, an artificial feeling of social connectedness. LSD interferes with serotonin, which causes people to experience hallucinations. Hallucinations are visual instead of auditory. Marijuana is also a mild hallucinogen. The main active chemical is THC, which heightens sensitivity to sounds, tastes, and smells. Like alcohol, it reduces inhibition, impairs motor and coordination skills. It disrupts memory formation and short-term recall. It stays in the body for up to a week.